Alrighty, I'm gonna do videos showing the different cycles and how long they take and the other options you can do for this GE washer. It's a GTW 680BSJ6WS, and I'll show the dryer too. Here's the inside, and then here's the display here. So basically, I'll start out with colors normal. So colors normal originally does 38 minutes. It starts out on warm, so it usually takes 38 minutes. If I were to do extra heavy, it would take 54. If I were to do a deep rinse, it would take 73 minutes. And then if I were to do an extra rinse with that, with the spin speed at max, it would take 88 minutes. I believe 88 minutes is the longest it can take, but if you were to add the stain remover cycle, it says 2 hours. Now, it's not exactly 2 hours. What it will do is it will count down. It will go to 1, and then when it gets to 99, then it will count down from 99 until it's done. So that's how that one goes. But originally, it takes 38 minutes. For the casual cycle, that one originally takes 35 minutes. Starts out on colors. If I were to turn the soil level to extra heavy, it would take 41 minutes. If I were to do spin speed to max, it would take 47. And then a deep rinse would take 57. Extra rinse would take 71. And then 91 minutes for if it were to do the stain remover cycle. So 91 minutes is the max it can do. But originally, it's at 35. For the delicate cycle, it originally takes 48 minutes. If I were to do extra heavy soil level, it would take 52. A max spin would take 58. The deep rinse wouldn't do anything because it already does a deep rinse. And then an extra rinse would take 73 minutes. And stain remover will take 93 minutes. And just so you know, all these are the same amount of length. They just adjust the water temperature. So originally it just takes 48 minutes. And then the activewear cycle, 39 minutes is what it starts out at. If I were to do extra heavy, it would take 43 minutes. A max spin would take 49. A deep rinse would take 59. Extra rinse would take 73, and then stain removal will take 93. So 93 is the max that one could take. And then cold wash. So yeah, cold wash automatically takes 54 minutes. And it will let you do cold or tap cold for that. And if you had to do max or extra heavy, takes 61 minutes, max speed 67, and then deep rinse 77, extra rinse 91, and then the stain removal, it won't let you do that for this one. So the speed of wash is the shortest cycle, takes 19 minutes. If I were to do extra heavy, it would take 23. Max spin 28. See if it'll let me do this. Yep, a deep rinse 38. Extra rinse will make it go to 52. And stain removal cycle will go to 72. So still can take a long time, but with all the default settings, it takes 19 minutes. The drain and spin cycle takes 10 minutes automatically. All these are off because you can't really do anything with it. It won't let you. If you do a deep rinse, it'll do a rinse and spin, I'm assuming. So the max for that could be 34 minutes, but originally just takes 10. The basket clean cycle is nothing you can adjust on it. It just takes 50 minutes. I can't do that. I can't change the temperature. I can't adjust those or do extra rinses or anything. So it will do what it does. So the basket clean cycle takes 50 minutes all the time. Sanitize ethoxy cycle is the longest cycle. Originally it takes 71 minutes, and it won't let me do a stain remover cycle for that, and it won't let you change it out of hot water. It won't let you do anything less than extra heavy, and it either to let you do more or max spin speed. So if you do max, it takes 76 minutes. An extra rinse wouldn't do a difference because it already does a deep rinse, or a deep rinse wouldn't make a difference because it already does a deep rinse. An extra rinse would take 91 minutes. I believe 91 minutes is the max it can do on here on this cycle. And then a jeans cycle, that one takes 42 minutes originally. If I were to do extra heavy, it'd take 46. Max would take 52. Deep rinse 62, extra rinse 76, and then the stain remover cycle will take 96 minutes with all that added. But when it's on the default, it just takes 42 minutes. The heavy duty cycle originally takes 58 minutes. And if you were to make it extra heavy, it would take 61. Max spin speed would take 67. Deep rinse 77, extra rinse 91, and stain removal will get it to 2 hours. And like I said, it will count down from 2 to 1, and when it gets to 99 minutes, it will count down from 99 to 0. So, then the bulky item cycle, that one originally takes 56 minutes, and you can see the deep fill is on. It won't let you turn it off, which is good because it needs to be full anyways for those bulky items. So if you were to do extra heavy, it takes 61. Max spin takes 67. Deep rinse shouldn't make a difference because it already does a deep rinse, and then extra rinse 81 minutes. And then stain removal will take 2 hours. So, and then the towels or sheet cycle. This one's an interesting cycle. I found out that sometimes it will agitate faster depending on if it's a lot of towels, or if you put like sheets in there, it will agitate slower and more heavy. So it senses it, and if it senses a lot of stuff, it will agitate more heavy or more lighter. So it does 2 different cycles on there. So towels and sheet cycle takes 42 minutes. You can go to 46 with the extra heavy soil, 52 with the max spin. A deep rinse would be 61 minutes, extra rinse 76 minutes, and then the stain removal cycle will get it to 96. But originally, it just takes 42 minutes. Then the white cycle, 43 minutes is how long it takes. If you were to do extra heavy, you take 47. Max spin take 53. Extra rinse 67, deep rinse 77, and then stain removal 97. So those are all the different cycles on there. And they can vary quite a bit, but originally they all are pretty short compared to my mom's washer. So I'll show you the dryer in a different video, but this is the GE washer at my dad's house, and I'll try to do a video of my mom's washer also and show you those. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.